I'm choosing my toy car for Zin. He's the red car. I hope Zin love it. And here, yellow car. The blue car is the same, but it's small. I think this F1 car. It's a robot car. He can make robot from it. Yeah. And now I can take. It's a pink car. It's a car too. Oh no, it's not suitable for Zin because it break. Oh, yeah, two cars. It's the same. It's like the same too. It is a special car. It's a big turtle, but I don't think he can fly. Very difficult to run. He can't run anymore. Okay? No, he cannot run. He are the same too. They cannot run. You see? No, they cannot run.
Finish?
Yeah, finish. Bye bye.